लोकसेवा आयोगद्वारा सञ्चालन हुने नेपाली सेना अधिकृत क्याडेट अफिसर क्याडेटको जिके क्वेसन ल्याएर उपस्थित भएको छु, जुन 2077 8 महिना 17 गते सञ्चालन भएको परीक्षाको जिके क्वेसन रहेको छ। यो भिडियोमा तपाईँलाई 100 जिके क्वेसन्सहरू एन्सर सहित भन्न गइरहेको छु। सो तपाईँ यदि अफिसर क्याडेटको आउँदो इक्जामको लागि तयारी गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया भिडियोलाई अन्तिमसम्म हेरिदिनुहोला र च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने यस्तै विभिन्न भिडियोहरूको लागि च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुहोला। Question number 1. Removal of which sign in the insignia of colonel rank makes the insignia of captain rank? The answer is option A, sword. Question number 2. What is the name of the father of Bahadur Shah? Answer is option A, Prithvi Narayan Shah. Question number 3. King Prithvi Narayan Shah had to fight for Dadar days to conquer Bhaktapur. Answer is none of the above. इसको कुनै पनि एक्ज्याक्ट डाटा छैन। Question number 4. In Nepal Army, sun and moon is the insignia of Dadar भनेको छ। Answer is option C, Subedar Major. Question number 5. In Nepal Army, the insignia of lieutenant is. Answer is option D, Cross, Khukuri and Moon. Question number 6. Where is Kalu Pandey Park located? कालु पाण्डे पार्क चाहिँ कहाँ रहेको छ भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन डी, दहचोकमा लोकेटेड छ। Question number 7. What is the name of UN mission for peacekeeping operation in South Sudan? Answer is option B, UNMISS. Question number 8. Nepal has been taking part in UN peacekeeping operations since भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर हुन्छ none of the above, option D, because right answer is 1958. Question number 9. Under which UN resolution number does MINUSCA mission falls भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर अप्सन C, 2499. Question number 10. During Nepal-Tibet War, the Chinese troops had entered up to Dadar of Nepal भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर अप्सन D, none of the above, कुनै एक्ज्याक्ट डाटा छैन। Question number 11. Who is the overall battle commander of Nepalese force during Anglo-Nepal War? यसको एन्सर अप्सन C, अमर सिंह थापा। Question number 12. Who was the Nepalese commander in the Battle of Chitgarh? Answer is option B, Uzir Singh Thapa. Question number 13. Who was the British Governor General to declare war against Nepal? Answer is option A, Warren Hastings. Question number 14. In Nepal Unification Campaign, Jayanta Rana was involved in the Battle of option D, Nuwakot. Question number 15. In which battle did Nayan Singh Thapa got heroic death? इसको आंसर ऑप्शन सी, कागडामा। Question number 16. Who from Nepal has been listed in the year's BBC 100 Women? इसको आंसर ऑप्शन बी, सपना रोका मगर। सबैलाई थाहा छ होला। Question number 17. Since when the contribution based society security program has implemented in Nepal? इसको आंसर ऑप्शन सी, श्रावण 2076. Question number 18. When was Nepal declared as open defecation, खुला दिशा मुक्त फ्री कंट्री भनेको छ। यसको आन्सर हो अप्सन ए, 2076 अश्विन। Question number 19. Mundun is related to dot community. यसको आन्सर अप्सन बी, किरात कम्युनिटी। Question number 20. Who is the winner of मदन पुरस्कार for the year 2076? यसको आन्सर अप्सन बी, चन्द्र प्रकाश पानिया। Question number 21. Who is the winner of Miss Nepal 2019? The answer is option C, Anushka Shrestha. Question number 22. So kept the world record in climbing successfully 14 peaks of the world with the height of more than 8,000 in 6 months. The answer is option A, Nirmal Purja. Question number 23. Among the following, who is not the winner of the Nobel Prize for Economics 2019? Answer is option B, Oliver Bankett. और सबै चाहिँ नोबेल प्राइज विनर हो। Question number 24. Who is known as चाणक्य? इसको आन्सर ऑप्शन ए, कौटिल्य is known as चाणक्य। Question number 25. Man is by nature a political animal. Whose statement is this? इसको आन्सर ऑप्शन सी, एरिस्टोटल को स्टेटमेन्ट हो यो। Question number 26. When did Nepal establish diplomatic relation with America? The right answer is option C, 1947 AD. Question number 27. When was signed on the Treaty of Friendship between Nepal and Britain? इसको आन्सर ऑप्सन डी, नन अफ द अबव, कुनै पनि डेटहरु चाहिँ मिलेन, सब गलत छ। Question number 28. Nepal has established foreign relation सा country in the backmost time भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर अप्सन बी भुटानसँग चाहिँ सबैभन्दा पछाडि गरेको हो। Question number 29. When has Nepal become member state of BIMSTEC? The answer is option A 2004 AD. Question number 30. Which is the Shark Day? यसको एन्सर अप्सन सी डिसेम्बर 8 चाहिँ सार्क डे भनेर सेलिब्रेट गर्ने गरिन्छ। Question number 31. Which subject is related with BIMSTEC MILEX 2018 भनेको छ। सो यसको एन्सर अप्सन बी मिलिटरी एक्सरसाइज। Question number 32. What is the theme of Shark Decade 2010-2020 भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर अप्सन ए इंट्रा रिजनल कनेक्टिभिटी इन सार्क। Question number 33. Which of the following is not the purpose of UN? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन बी टू बी सेंटर फॉर हार्मोनाइजिंग द एक्शन अफ नेशंस। और सबै चाहिँ UN को पर्पजहरु हो, बी मात्रै अप्सन होइन। Question number 34. How many total members are there in Security Council of UN? And the answer is option B 15 members. Question number 35. Which of the following is not the official language of UN? And the right answer is option C Portuguese. Portuguese बाहेक अरु सबै चाहिँ official language हो। Question number 36. After Bretton Woods Conference 1944, World Bank and were established भनेको चाहिँ यसको एन्सर अप्सन बी IMF। Question number 37. Where is the headquarter of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB located? And the right answer is option B China। Question number 38. Which institution does not belong to World Bank Group? And the right answer is option C WTO World Trade Organization चाहिँ यो भित्र पर्दैन। Question number 39. Provides the special drawing right SDR facility to the member countries भनेको छ। So the answer is option A IMF। Question number 40. The founder members of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is कतिवटा मेम्बर छन् भनेको छ। So the answer is option A 57। Question number 41. Which alternative of the following is not correct? The right answer is option A theory of cosmology। हकिङ चाहिँ यो करेक्ट छैन और सब करेक्ट छ। Question number 42. Which are the inventions of Archimedes? And the right answer is theory of lever। option A चाहिँ त्यसको इन्भेन्सन हो और होइन। Question number 43. Who invented telephone? And the right answer is option C Graham Bell। Question number 44. The popular computer programming language in developing multimedia web pages is भनेको छ। So the right answer is option A Java चाहिँ हो। Question number 45. What is the computer networking called that is used within building? So the answer is option C LAN local area network। Question number 46. In Daughter district the black buck has been protected in open area भनेको छ। So the right answer is option B Bardia। Question number 47. Which places is known as paradise of birds? So the right answer is option A कोसिटपुलाई चाहिँ paradise of birds भनिन्छ। Question number 48. Where is the Himalayan musk deer protected project located भनेको छ। So the right answer is option C Annapurna protection area। Question number 49. Nepal's Prime Minister has established the जू भनेको छ जुन जलखिलको जू कसले बनाएको भन्न खोजेको छ। यसको एन्सर इज अप्सन डी जुद्ध शमशेर। Question number 50. Which district does the area of Safe Oxendo National Park comprise? So the answer is option C Dolpa and Mugu। Question number 51. Which is the second largest continent of the world? So the answer is option B Africa। Question number 52. When was Bardia National Park established? इसको एन्सर अप्सन बी 2032 PS मा चाहिँ यो इस्टाब्लिश भएको हो। क्वेशन नम्बर 53. गौरीशंकर हिमाल लाइज इन डटेड हिमालय रेन्ज भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर अप्सन डी रोलवालिङ। यो चाहिँ रोलवालिङ हिमालयन रेन्जमा लाइज छ। क्वेशन नम्बर 54. हाउ मेनी लोकल बडिज आर देयर इन नेपाल एट प्रेजेन्ट? यसको एन्सर अप्सन डी 753। क्वेशन नम्बर 55. Daughter shall appoint one chief of province of each province भनेको छ। सो यसको एन्सर अप्सन बी प्रेसिडेन्ट। द प्रेसिडेन्टले चाहिँ अपॉइन्ट गर्छ। क्वेशन नम्बर 56. इन विच हिमालय रेन्ज डज द पुमरी हिमाल लाई भनेको छ। यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन बी खुम्बु हिमालयन रेन्जमा। Question number 57. Nilgiri Himal is situated on the northern part of lake भनेको छ, सो त यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन सी फेवा लेक. Question number 58. Which of the following fact is right about the Mariana Trench? यसको एन्सर अप्सन ए द डिपेस्ट पार्ट अफ द ओसन इन द वर्ल्ड. अरू सबै गलत हो, यो मात्रै राइट. Question number 59. In which of the following districts is Chorelpa Ice Lake located? And the right answer is option D, Dolakha district. Question number 16. My Pokhari is in Tadar district. यसको right answer option B, Ilam district. Question number 61. In which article of the Constitution of Nepal had 3 levels of structure of state been provision भनेको छ, सो यसको एन्सर अप्सन बी, आर्टिकल 56. Question number 62. In which geographical area does Churi range lie भनेको छ, यसको एन्सर अप्सन बी, हिल्ली रिजनमा चाहिँ चुरे रेन्ज लाइज गर्छ. Question number 63. Which is the right order of the oceans on the basis of lowest area to largest area भनेको छ, सानोदेखि ठुलो. यसको एन्सर अप्सन ए, आर्कटिक, इन्डियन, एटलान्टिक, पेसिफिक. Question number 64. Which among the following is the capital of province 1 of Nepal? यसको right answer option A, विराटनगर. Question number 65. यसमा चाहिँ म्याच गर्नुपर्ने छ, अगाडि हाइवेहरू दिएको छ र पछाडि कुन देशले सहयोग गरेको त्यो दिएको छ. यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन डी, जुन A4, B2, C3 र D5 हुन्छ. Question number 66. How many districts are there in Tarai region of Nepal? यसको राइट एन्सर अप्सन सी, 21 districts. Question number 67. Tilicho Lake is located at height भनेको छ, यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन सी, 4919 मिटर. Question number 68. In which district is Indra Sarovar situated? इन्द्र सरोवर कहाँ रहेको छ भने यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन डी, मकवानपुर. Question number 69. Which is the district headquarter of Manang district? यसको एन्सर अप्सन सी, चामी. Question number 70. Where does Tumlingtar Airport lie? Tumlingtar Airport कहाँ रहेको छ भनेको छ, यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन बी, शङ्खुवासभामा रहेको छ. Question number 71. In which country does the historical city Brussels lie? And the answer is option D, France. Question number 72. Under which family language does Santhal language lie? And the answer is option C, Agniya Laureti family. Question number 73. In the history of Nepal, government official could get land as gift from the government, and such land was called dotted land. And the answer is option C, Birta. Question number 74. What is Magna Carta? Magna Carta भनेको के हो? यसको एन्सर हो अप्सन बी, चार्टर अफ फ्रिडम फर ब्रिटिश सिटिजन. Question number 75. According to population census 2068 PS, what is the percentage of population speaking Nepali language? And the answer is option B, 44.6%. Question number 76. Along the following dotted temple is listed in the World Heritage Site. And the right answer is option C, Changunarayan temple. Question number 77. Which district is the major settlement of Basi community? And the right answer is option C, Darchula district. Basi community को मेजर सेन्टर चाहिँ दार्चुला डिस्ट्रिक्ट हो. क्वेसन नम्बर 78. यसमा पनि म्याच गर्नुपर्ने छ, एकातिर जात्राहरू देखाएको छ र अर्कोतिर जात्रा सुरु गर्ने राजाहरू अथवा तपाईको चाहिँ लिडरहरूको नाम दिएको छ, जसअनुसार चाहिँ राइट एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन डी हुन्छ. अप्सन डी मा A4, B2, C3 र D5 हुन्छ. Question number 79. What is the full form of Yamsi medal that was awarded by British government for the bravery in the World War II? And the answer is option A, Military Cross. Question number 80. Where does Sipasatakshi Dam of Nepal lie? And the right answer is option C, Jhapa. Question number 81. Who became the member or secretary of the National Security Council of Nepal? And the right answer is option A, Secretary, Ministry of Defense. Question number 82. As per the Constitution of Nepal, there are fundamental rights of the citizen भनेको छ, कतिवटा भनेको छ, so the right answer is option C, 31 वटा rights छन्. Question number 83. According to the Constitution of Nepal, which is not the duty of citizen? So the right answer is to protect the political right of the people. Question number 84. When did a war take place between India and China over the border? And the right answer is option A, 1960 to 80. Question number 85. No law shall be made providing for the death penalty to anyone. According to Constitution of Nepal, this is related to, and the right answer is option A, right to live with dignity. Question number 86. In which district does Thaubadi iron ore lie? And the right answer is option B, East Nawalprasi. Question number 87. Which among the following is not the national pride project of Nepal? And the right answer is option C, Kamala River Irrigation Project. Question number 88. According to recent trend of sectoral consumption of electricity, among the following in which sector of Nepal is the lowest consumption of electricity? And the right answer is option C, other sector. Question number 89. According to the 15th plan, the population below poverty line is dotted in Nepal, and the right answer is option C, 18.7%. Question number 90. Find out whether the following statements are right or wrong. दुईटा स्टेटमेन्ट दिएको छ, राइट छ कि रङ छ भनेर भनेको छ. प्रायोरिटाइजिङ अफ डेभलपमेन्ट प्रोजेक्ट वाज स्टार्टेड फ्रम 2054-55 यो चाहिँ रङ हो. त्यसै गरी सेकेन्ड चाहिँ क्यापासिटी अफ तामाकोसी हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट इज 465 MW, यो पनि रङ हो. सो द राइट आन्सर इज अप्सन डी, 1 and 2 बोथ रङ. Question number 91. Bhimsen Thapa was daughter of Nepal. इसको राइट एन्सर अप्सन बी, मुक्तियार. पहिला प्रधानमन्त्रीलाई मुक्तियार भन्ने गरिन्थ्यो. क्वेसन नम्बर 92. हु इज नोन एज लिभिङ लायन इन द हिस्ट्री अफ नेपाल? इसको राइट एन्सर अप्सन डी, अमर सिंह थापालाई चाहिँ लिभिङ लायन भन्ने गरिन्छ. क्वेसन नम्बर 93. द फलोइङ डटेड वेयर नोन एज त्रिशक्ति अगेन्स्ट द युनिफिकेसन क्याम्पेन अफ पृथ्वीनारायण शाह. इसको एन्सर अप्सन ए, पाल्पा, लमजुङ र तनहु. Question number 94. Relating to United Nations Organization, the full form of UNIFIL in United Nations भनेको छ. यसको एन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन बी, इन्टरिम फोर्स इन लेबनन. Question number 95. Who was the commander to fight the last battle of Kangada for Nepal unification campaign? यसको राइट एन्सर अप्सन बी, अमर सिंह थापा. Question number 96. On which date did the British East India Company declare war against Nepal? इसको एन्सर अप्सन सी, November 1, 1814. Question number 97. Who was the commander of the troops of British East India Company to fight against the Nepalese troops in Sindhuli? इसको एन्सर अप्सन सी, Captain Kinloch. Question number 98. Who is known as the hero of Deostal battle? And the right answer is option D, Bhakti Thapa. Question number 99. How many years of tenure can be extended for Major General rank in Nepal Army? इसको एन्सर अप्सन ए, 1 term of 2 years. Question number 100. Last question. How many days does a soldier in Nepal Army get casual leave in the year? And the right answer is option A, 6 days, जुन भइपरि आउने बिदा हो. थ्याङ्क्स फर वाचिङ दिस भिडियो. यस्तै विभिन्न भिडियोहरू बनाउनको लागि मलाई हौसला दिन सक्नुहुन्छ. तपाईँले कृपया भिडियोलाई लाइक गरिदिनु होला. भिडियो तपाईँलाई कस्तो लाग्यो, हेल्पफुल लाग्यो लागेन, कृपया कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला. र यस्तै विभिन्न कन्टेन्टहरू भिडियोहरू यो च्यानलमा आइरहन्छ. कृपया च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला.